Hello friends and welcome to 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙧 channel, and I am 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧, and today we are going to make a small project in Python, and that is going to be a sentiment analyzer. Looks interesting, so let's make it. Now first of all, you need a Python on your device, an IDE or directly a Python shell, and pip install on your device. So let's get started. And now I am going to use 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧, and I am going to make this project in Android because it is a simple project, so I am going to do that. And first of all, please subscribe our channel, like and share to all your friends for which it is useful. And now let's get started. Open 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧 here, and to make this project you need a package, and that package name is TextBlob. So let's install it in terminal. You can either install it on terminal or CMD or Windows PowerShell. So let's install it. Pip install TextBlob and press enter. Yes, it is giving me requirement already satisfied, because over here requirement is already satisfied because I had already installed TextBlob. If you are new to TextBlob, it will install it properly. It will directly install it, and you can't see requirement already satisfied. If you had TextBlob on your device already, then it will give requirement already satisfied. So let's start our project, and here directly you shouldn't import TextBlob, and here you have to write from TextBlob import TextBlob, and over here this TextBlob, this one where I am underlining, is the package, and this one, this TextBlob, is a module. And now I think you understood, this is a package and this is a module. Now let's start it. I am thinking it should say about it or an introduction about it, like a text. So I am going to print it over here. Print. Hello, my name is text. Don't analyzer. And now it will ask us input. I am giving x as a assignment variable, and now give me a statement to analyze or classify. And now it will take input, okay, but how it will upload in TextBlob? And now I'm going to say it. Here we'll take again x back, and now here otherwise we'll take y. Here what it should do is TextBlob and open parentheses, and now keep the variable x over here. Now we have successfully installed or imported TextBlob and have uploaded our input statement, and there whatever will be in the input will go into text block. Yes, we have done that. And now another thing I want to do is here for this text I don't want to write in the same line, but it should appear in the next line. So I am going to bring \n, means with this is a shortcut or keyword. After this it will give us in the next line. So over here after this you have to, again if you want you can use y over here. Y is equal to y dot y dot sentiment dot polarity, and over here it has some point. This whole text block will only give in the form of integers. So I will do this. I'll explain you by in a comment. To be positive, it must be greater than 0 and here x is y and y should be greater or equal to 1, and this is the condition of the statement. If it should be as positive. And now over here, to be negative, it must be lesser than, the y must be lesser than 0. Y is lesser than 0, and to be neutral, it must be equal to 0, exactly to 0. And now let's get started. Come back, and now these are the conditions, and now we have to bring here conditional statement. If x is greater than 0, print it is negative. Again we'll use else if or elif over here. If x is exactly equal to 0, then it have to print it is neutral, and again elif x is greater than 0 and x is greater than equal to 1. And here instead of n you can also use these n symbols twice, but I prefer to use only n. I also suggest. And now here it had to print it is positive. I think you understood. And one mistake I had done here is I had kept x over here, if you have observed. So I am changing them. Yes. Now let's check whether it's working or not. So let's check whether we have kept all this. Yes. So let's run it. Wait a minute. Okay. So let's run it. It should work. I don't know why it is taking this much time. Yes, it gave me. Give me a statement to analyze your classify or classify. I made a mistake over there. But no problem. We'll just give a statement. Here I'm going to give hello. You are fantastic in coding and excellent in studies. So let's enter. Let's keep enter. See, it has given us. It is positive. Yes, it's working. See, again I have came back to code, and this is how my text blob or the all the project. And if you want to try, you can still do modifications to this. And in our future videos, we will make a quick tone analyzer, and this is how it works. And for now, I'll explain you all this. What we have done now means we have imported text blob, and then we had made it to introduce itself and made it to ask a question. I mean to take an input from us, and we have made it to upload in text blob, and then you can see we have explored about what are the polarity rates or in integers in text blob, and we have used if and elif over here, the conditional statements. And this is how it works, and I think you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share to all. It helps me a lot. Thank you.